Will Rocket Money refund you? Intro. Hook. Have you ever used Rocket Money and wondered if you'd actually get a refund? Context. Rocket Money promises to find you hidden fees and negotiate better deals on your bills. But does it actually deliver? In this video, we're diving deep into Rocket Money and answering the burning question, will Rocket Money refund you? Part 1. Understanding Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Explain what Rocket Money does and how it works. Promises and claims. Discuss the specific promises and claims made by Rocket Money regarding refunds and bill negotiation. User experiences. Share real-life examples of users who have used Rocket Money and their experiences with refunds. Part 2. Analyzing Rocket Money's refund process. Refund policy. Break down Rocket Money's refund policy and terms and conditions. Refund eligibility. Discuss the specific criteria that must be met for a refund to be issued. Refund timeframes. Explain how long it typically takes for Rocket Money to process a refund. Part 3. Common refund issues. Failed negotiations. Discuss instances where Rocket Money has failed to negotiate better deals or secure refunds for users. Hidden fees. Explore situations where Rocket Money may have overlooked hidden fees or charged unexpected fees. Customer service issues. Address any complaints or negative experiences users have had with Rocket Money's customer service. Part 4. Tips for maximizing your chances of a refund. Gather evidence. Explain the importance of gathering evidence to support your refund claim. Communicate effectively. Provide tips for communicating effectively with Rocket Money's customer service. Be persistent. Emphasize the importance of being persistent and following up on your refund request. Part 5. Alternatives to Rocket Money. Do-it-yourself methods. Discuss alternative methods for finding and negotiating better deals on bills. Competitor comparison. Compare Rocket Money to other similar services and their refund policies. Part 6. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on whether or not Rocket Money is likely to refund you. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with Rocket Money in the comments. Outro. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.